Here is Tirunelveli, our flagship city, on the OpenStreetMap base. Now watch what happens when we add 3 independent building sources. OpenStreetMap shows 366 buildings in gray, Google adds over 53,000 in blue, and Microsoft over 21,000 in orange. 3 views of the same city, and they do not agree. We conflate these 3 sources into 36,069 evidence clusters. One cluster for each physical structure, matched across whichever sources actually observed it. Only 298 structures are seen by all 3 sources. That is the gold standard agreement set. But Google and Microsoft independently corroborate 14,471 buildings that OpenStreetMap completely misses. This is why a city should never rely on a single map source. 3,940 clusters need geometry review. These are conflicts and ambiguous relationships that we flag, rather than silently accept. From all of this, 10,865 consensus buildings emerge as high-confidence physical evidence, the reliable backbone of reconciliation. And here is the headline number. OpenStreetMap covers just 2.02% of the buildings that Google and Microsoft agree exist. Now we add time. Google's temporal dataset gives us 8 years of building presence. Here are the 1,636 stable build cells. 13 cells show probable vertical intensification. Buildings growing taller. A signal that a flat footprint map is completely blind to. And 3 cells show persistent growth, where the built footprint expanded year after year. We keep demographic context strictly separate. Official Census 2011 recorded 473,637 people in 120,466 households, mapped here as settlement intensity. Here is the crucial discipline. Physical, temporal, and demographic evidence are ready. But property assessments, ward boundaries, and DCP must come from TMC. Reconciliation stays blocked until they do. Our method is simple. Observe, candidate, verify, and only then calculate. Studio is an augmentation layer, never a replacement for municipal records or statutory tax rules. Every source is catalogued by class, vintage, and gate. Authoritative municipal data, independent open evidence, and studio-derived layers are never mixed silently. Satellite imagery confirms the physical reality on the ground, right down to individual structures. That is Municipal Property Intelligence from Nebula Cloud Studio. Physical reality becomes evidence, then reconciliation cases, and municipal officers take it from there. Thank you for watching.